Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I'm going to show you how I created this braided half-up style. So what you need are tiny hair ties, and I use some clips to bring away the hair that I don't want to be braided in. My parting is never in the middle, it's always slightly diagonal, and I'm trying to let my baby hairs from the front down. So I'm taking a little bit oval shape from the front to the back and then clip it away. And the same thing I do on my right hand side. So here you see it left. Oval shape, slightly rounded, turning around the hair and then just flipping it up, clip it away. And the rest of the hair I take into a low ponytail because it's the best way to make sure that I do not braid it in. Soft hair ties for not leaving any marks. My hair is straightened even if it does not look like. And I'm starting with the left hand side, or you see right. The wax stick, you asked me various times what I'm using. This is just a stick and it contains wax, hair wax, and it makes my flyaway stick to the rest of the hair. So just putting it around the edges, and then I take the front and I'm splitting it into 3 equal strands. I bring the top under the middle, then right under the middle, top under the middle, and I'm adding in some hair, and this I'm doing along the parting I did. You see, I'm always putting first the strand under the middle and then I add in some hair, trying to go along the prepared parting with the hair that I'm adding in. Pulling the strands, you can later make the braid wider if you want to. And when you bring in new hair, make sure that you grab it tight. Here now I missed one strand, that's a pity, but I haven't seen it on the camera, so we have to live with it. You see, there's one strand hanging out. But the top hair is all incorporated, and here you see that I do now a regular Dutch braid by bringing the outer strand always under the middle strand, and I'm separating the 3 strands always in between of my fingers for not having the hair rubbled into each other. And when I braid it far enough to the front, I pull it in front to have an easier way to braid. And there you see the strand I left out. Yeah, now I'm noticing it too. Yeah, that was a bit stupid of mine, but I didn't want to do it again. So braid until the end, and then take one of the tiny hair elastic that you prepared at the beginning, and you have the first braid done. Now we do exactly the same thing on the other side. I'm using again the hair wax stick. Don't ask me which brand it is. There's something that is called Bad Head, I think. That works quite well. This I got from Amazon, and they look all the same, so just take whatever you can grab, and you don't have to take the more expensive ones. Always bring first under, then add in hair from the part line to the strand you want to add in hair, and go around in the rounded shape. And then with no more hair to incorporate, here I'm checking if I have everything. Then you just do a regular Dutch braid, right under, left under the middle, right under, left under, until it's long enough to bring it in the front, because then the way to braid is a bit easier. Be careful in which direction you braid, and if the strand from the middle, like here, gets very thin, just add a bit of hair from another strand and keep on braiding. You could leave the style already like this, just the two braids, but I like to join them. I don't know, but it looks like better finished style to me. And you can stick one into the other, but I wanted to try something else to give it a bit more volume, so I'm taking another small elastic and I do a little ponytail at the back of my head with the top hair, and like this I make sure that everything is straightened out and not sticking up, or with our fluffy humid weather the hair becomes fluffy. So now I go in between of the braid and I just stick it over the little ponytail, and I do exactly the same thing with the right hand braid. So find an opening, grab the ponytail and bring it through. Pull everything tight. You should be more careful than I've been so that one sees both braids. At the end I will have here some photos so that you can see that I corrected that. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Bye bye. See you back next time.